Good day, Ma'am. I am Nonelina Ragdao. Today, I will report about the response to a query letter. A response to a query letter is a formal reply to an inquiry made by an individual or organization. This type of letter addresses the questions or concern raised in the original query, providing the requested information or clarification. It may also express appreciation for the inquiry and outline any steps or actions. A response to a query letter is simply a formal reply to someone's questions or request. Think of it like a polite and professional answer to an email or letter asking for information. There are five key characteristics of response to a query letter. First, acknowledgement. Begin by acknowledging receipt of the original inquiry and expressing appreciation for the interest shown. You can start by saying you received their letter and thank them for contacting you. Show them that you appreciate their interest. Second, clear and direct answer. Provide clear answers to the questions posed in the query, ensuring that all relevant information is included. By doing the clear answer, you must directly answer all their questions completely and accurately. Don't leave anything out. Third, professional tone. Maintain a professional tone throughout the letter. Just like keep the language formal and business, like avoid slang or casual language. Fourth, next steps, if applicable. Outline any steps Outline any next steps or action that the inquirer can take or offer further assistance if needed. If there's more they need to do or if you will following up, explain that clearly, offer further help if appropriate. Last, closing. Conclude with a polite closing statement inviting further questions if necessary. End with a polite closing like sincerely and offer to answer any further questions they might have. So that's all my report, ma'am. Thank you.